Today, Commerce was really a facilitator and a convener. It was really valuable to get suppliers, workforce developers, and buyers, in this case Boeing, into the same room and to have some conversations about how we're working together and how we can work together. One of the things that was really interesting to me is that Alicia from Greater Spokane Inc., she mentioned to me that there was a Spokane aerospace strategy developed about 20 years ago. And it's really an exciting time now because you see all these growth in suppliers in the region and it's really taking off. Aerospace is critically important to Washington State because it creates well-paying jobs, it creates high technology manufacturing jobs, sustainable competitive jobs, and I think that it also creates revenues that fund critical government services. It also helps improve our brand as Washington State, that we have a high-tech aerospace industry that's competitive. I think this is helpful when we go to recruit new investors, new investment in Washington State. It's really important for us for a variety of reasons, and we would like to make sure it remains a critical industry with a very strong competitive positioning.